Hey guys, welcome in. Thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate you. Today we're going to put together chicken Parmesan. And first of all, I was looking for spaghetti squash and I could not find spaghetti squash. So, in the interest of something that's a little more healthy for us, this is chickpea penne. We're going to use this instead. Instead of long spaghetti noodles, we're going to use this chickpea penne. Just give it a try. Hey, what do we got to lose, right? You don't have to use it again if we don't like it. So there's that. And I'm going to cook up some chicken breast. I got these on sale. Still $5.09 a pound. So we're going to fry these up in a mixture of half flour, half panko breadcrumbs. So hopefully they'll be nice and crispy. And it's all going to be a bunch of deliciousness. So let's just get started. So we need a couple of eggs in there. Now, where's my new gizmo here? I got this little gizmo at the junk shop. Paid 79 cents for this thing. So this amounts to like a spring with a handle on it. And it's for purposes like this. I'm just going to try this out and see if it's better than my big fork. And it, you know what, it does is pretty good. It's a lot of fun, I know that. Spring with a handle on it. So we're going to dunk our chicken first in the beaten egg, and then we're going to dunk it into the breadcrumbs and flour. So let me rinse this. So this will be a son of a gun to wash. So let me rinse. Oh, let's just call that good. Might have mites. So I have might and mess. So there's that. Good night, nurse. What a mess have I made here. Good grief. In there. Now that's peanut oil. You use whatever oil you want. We're gonna wait until that oil gets nice and hot before we drop the little pieces of chicken in there. So there's that and that. See about getting into that chicken. Let's do the chicken first so it can be done and resting and all that happy stuff. First we gotta stir up this. think that's enough. Put a little butter in there to saute them their veggies in. Do that. Alright guys, so our vegetables are cooking down nicely and that's starting to get warm. Our panko breaded chicken tenders are cooked and up in the microwave for safekeeping. And I've tried one and they are oh so good, oh so crispy guys. They are really wonderful. So that is ready to dump that sauce in there. Now that is just the El Cheapo, the $1.34 can of Hunt sauce. Hey, I'm going to doctor it up anyway, so it don't have to be no $10 bottle of whatever. It just doesn't need to be. Not in my book, but y'all do what you want to. I'm not here to judge. So we're going to doctor this up. We got some Italian seasoning right here, and we're going to just kind of massage that a little bit and get that in the pan. And oh my goodness, that smells good. That smells really good. So there's that. Let's go ahead and dump our sauce in there. Now we need to rinse out this can. Just a smidge. I don't want to leave all that sauce behind. There's still some in there. It'll be all right. At least we didn't donate all of it, right? So there's that. All right, guys. So we had some camera anomalies there, and we got some things figured out. So we got the veggies and everything in the sauce, and man, you should smell that. My goodness gracious. My goodness gracious, that smells so good. Okay, so let's give that just a quick, pretty good. Okay, so let's put our chicken parm together here real quick. I'll be right back with you. Your plate, and let me tell you what, this is some really crunchy chicken. I like that. You like that crunchy chicken? Very, very good. It's good. Now we need something to get those there. Well, this could work. Now again, these are made from chickpeas right here. So let's give this a shot. And we need to put some sauce on this. Let's see here. This will work. And I got that oven preheated to 400 over there. This is Parmesan and Romano and Asiago. So that ought to be a pretty darn good blend of cheese right there. And Let's go like this. Let's do that. And oh my goodness, that smells good. Okay, so let's slip this in the oven real quick here. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you. And so we fried up some chicken strips. Here's one of them, man, are they ever crispy and nice and good. And we made some penne pasta. Now this pasta is made out of chickpeas, and they're touting 21 grams of protein. Only one ingredient is they're totally made of chickpeas. Now, our friend Janet had asked to do spaghetti squash when she found out I wanted to do chicken parm, but I could not find a spaghetti squash. So hopefully this is a close second to spaghetti squash. So there's that. Now I have it on a plate, and that plate is hot. That puppy has been in the oven to melt the cheese and all that. So, and those nice mushrooms. Now let's just give this a good taste here. And it's hot. Well, let me tell you something. This is my first experience having noodles made out of chickpeas. To me, it tastes exactly the same as a regular noodle. You might as well have the protein kind that's not so impactful. If you can't have a spaghetti squash that's made out of squash, this is a very, very close second. Very delicious. So, yeah, this is very good. Now, got some chicken under there somewhere. There we go. There she is, right there. And that's chicken parm. That's chicken Parmesan. It's very good. Now, normally it's spaghetti, but this penne pasta, hey, a noodle's a noodle to me, really. My gosh, that is that's a very good Friday night dinner, a Sunday dinner, a Saturday night, any night of the week, it's good. And you can have this kind of made ahead. Very good. Very good. And I do appreciate each and every one of you that watch these videos. You are a very big blessing to me. I thank you for that. And one thing to know is I found this salesman sample of an old stove like this featured in the intro to the videos. And I'm going to be taking some pictures of that and enhancing the thumbnails and stuff like that with that model right there. So trying to improve things and move things along and try and create more interest and get a little more professional. And as I learn and grow, we put better things together and put them up. So I appreciate you stopping by. And by the way, there's a lot of people that watch that are not subscribing. If you would subscribe, if you do me the honor of clicking that subscribe and the like button, I would appreciate you. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Yeah, bye-bye.